Well, good evening, church. On behalf of the elders, I wanted to bring you a brief message on the updates that we're doing in the sanctuary. As it stands now, we're still in the process of replacing the floor, as well as other things in there. We have run into somewhat of a small snag in that we have decided to do more work in there. With that is going to create somewhat a longer time in getting it done. So that means that we had initially planned for services or to be our work in there to be complete by this weekend and have services in there this weekend, but it's not going to be, we're not going to be able to do that. So what we're going to do is we have decided to go back to a virtual message this weekend. Right now, this weekend only. Hopefully, we will have this completed by the end of next week, and we can come back and have services here. I will tell you that if you decide that you want to come get communion, there will be some at the front door. If you want to drop off your contribution, there'll be a place for you to do that as well. If you want one of us to be here and pray with you to have communion, we can arrange that as well. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on that and tell you where we are at. Again, this Sunday, and right now, this Sunday only, we're going to have a virtual service, and then we will look at it again after that. Thank you.